In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use top Canva AI tools. Canva is a fantastic design platform that's been enhanced with various artificial intelligence features. These tools are designed to streamline your creative process, making it faster and easier to produce professional-grade designs. So let's dive in. First, to kick things off, you'll want to open up Canva and create a new design. This part's simple enough. Just navigate to the Canva website and you'll see an option to start a new design. You can choose whatever format suits your needs best, whether it's for social media posts, presentations, or something else entirely. This flexibility allows you to craft designs specific to your project requirements. Next, you'll want to explore the Magic Write feature. Located at the bottom left corner of your Canva interface, this tool truly lives up to its name. Magic Write is a fantastic AI-powered feature that helps you generate text for your designs. It's ideal for those moments when you're unsure of what to write or need a creative spark to get started. Just click on Magic Write, and you can start giving it clear prompts. Think about the kind of text you need. Do you want a catchy headline, engaging social media captions, or informative descriptions? Provide that context, and Magic Write will produce text that you can easily incorporate into your design. Moving forward, it's time to delve into the Magic Media section. For this, head over to the Apps section in Canva and select Magic Media. This feature offers the ability to transform text into images or even short videos. It's a seamless way to enhance your design with multimedia elements without having to jump between different applications. Whether you need striking visuals or a brief explainer video, Magic Media can help bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks. If you're working with images, there's an excellent tool called the Background Remover. To use it, select any image within your design and look for the background remover option. With one click, you'll instantly get rid of the background, leaving you with a clean and focused image that you can easily integrate into your design project. It's perfect for creating sharp, professional graphics, especially when you want your subjects to stand out. Finally, when you have an image on your slide that you wish to edit, simply click on the image and look for the Edit button. Canva will then present you with a variety of magic tools to choose from. These tools provide a range of editing capabilities to refine your design, from adjusting colors and brightness to applying filters and effects. This versatility allows you to tailor your images exactly how you envision them, adding that final touch to your creative work. And there you have it. With these powerful AI tools at your fingertips, you'll be able to enhance your design process and produce amazing content with ease. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner, Canva's AI tools are here to support your creative journey. So go on, give them a try, and unlock your design potential with Canva today.